I'll be discussing about I woke up one morning, I'm working on this site, and I realized that one of my sites has this error when I woke up the following morning. So from my research, I observed that it is as a result of plugin conflicts on my WordPress site. So I want to show us how I resolved it, how I was able to have access back to my site. So in case someone encounters such issue, this is how to actually go about it. So let's go. So this is the information I got from the when I woke up to the site. So what I did was that I went to my Cpanel here, and I went to the file manager. So um, allow it to load. So when I go to the file manager, I went to the directory where the site is located. That is where the site is located. So I went to WP content, then the plugin. So here, what I did here was that I I have to rename the plugin. If you rename the plugin, you you have disabled all the plugin. If you rename the plugin folder, you have disabled all the plugin in that website, on that website rather. So that is what I did. So I renamed the plugin folder just to disable all the plugin. From there, when I have access to the website, then I will be able to know which plugin actually having causing issue to the website. So yes, the way to go about that is you need to start activating the plugins one by one. So that is that. So I disable the plugin, and now we need to check out activate the plugin that we need to activate back and try it and see which particular plugin is giving us an issue. So we log on to where our plugin is installed. As you can see, all the plugin has been disabled based on that action we performed. Okay, so now for us to activate all the plugin back, we need to, and we will from there, if the particular one that is giving us issue here, we will see it. Okay, after we've activated all the plugin, we are checking if the site is still available, if the site is still up. As you can see, the style is still up and it's still working fine. So site is working well. Another thing we need to look for is check for the particular plugin that is making that is crashing the site. Okay, and that is one thing that we need to do. So here, what I try to do is enabling another plugins to see if I'll have any complaint from the site. But here, this particular I have this information that is saying the particular plugin is the one giving me an issue. It's a plugin that I use to fetch news from other sites onto my blog site. Okay, because I'm actually creating an aggregator website. So now I know that is the plugin that is causing issue for me on the website. Okay, so there's a need for me. Okay, it's a WordPress automatic WordPress plugin. It's used to generate, sorry about that, RSS feed. So whenever I activate this plugin, it's triggered it shut down the website. So I've deleted it so that I will not have that error on the website again. I think that's all I want to share today. Thank you.